Welcome to Lockwood Moore's instructional videos. This video will show you how to install the Ricoh print driver. If you haven't downloaded the Ricoh print driver, do so now. The instructional video is available. It's named Ricoh Windows Driver Download. When the downward arrow turns blue, the download is complete. Hover over the download. Select the Open icon, or open the file from Downloads. Open the file. If it is a zipped file, browse to a folder. We recommend creating a file on your desktop for easy access. Unzip the file to a location you selected. Browse to a location of your unzipped file. Select the rv_setup.exe.application. Allow the application to make changes. If the download is self-extracting, select Install. Follow the install steps. Agree to the license and go to Next. Select Network, Next. The network devices are discovered. There may be multiple of the same MFP model in your network, so select the device by IP address. Select Next. Watch the green bar. It's fascinating. To check or change the defaults, select Check/Change Print Settings. Pick your default settings. We recommend changing the default to single-sided and black and white. Please choose your preferences, then Apply, and OK. Select Test Print. A pop-up window says, Test page has been printed successfully. Select Close. Select Finish. Now take a walk to the MFP. Check the test print. Driver's installed. Now you can print.